In this video, I'll show you how to set up OpenAI account and get access to the ChatGPT bot. So currently, ChatGPT has about 100 million users. So if after the registration you're told that there are no currently free slots or spaces to use the bot, just wait for a couple of minutes or possibly half an hour, and eventually you'll get there. Also, there are currently two versions of ChatGPT, which is basically the same version but two different levels. One is free, which is considering how many users there are, is not always responsive and convenient. However, there is a paid version, which is currently about $20 per month, where you basically use the same bot, but you are put ahead of the queue. But the registration is pretty much the same for all of them. Just follow the link in the description, then click on sign up. If you don't have an account already, then put your email address here and click continue. So later on your email, you're going to get a link from OpenAI, which you need to click in order to be approved or have your email confirmed. But here, after you put your email and click continue, you will be asked to come up with a password. Make sure it is a strong password, and you click continue again, and you're going to get an email with confirmation. So head to your email inbox. In my case, I'm using Gmail, but as far as I know, OpenAI doesn't have any limitations on which email provider to use. But here you click on Open Gmail, and it just gets you into your email, which is kind of very convenient. And here you press on the verify email address button, which just leads you back to the OpenAI website. Here, you'll need to put your first name and a last name, so surname. As far as I know, OpenAI doesn't really check whether it's your real name, so you might just put, like in my case, egg and ham. Click on continue, and this is the most important step, where you have to basically verify yourself that you are from a country where OpenAI ChatGPT is obviously officially usable, and just put your number and you'll get a code as a message, I believe. So here you can type the code, which is 6-digit code, and click continue. And here you go. Congratulations, you are inside the famous ChatGPT. However, if you don't want to be registering with OpenAI, and if you cannot be bothered altogether, there are some free alternatives that lets you just try it out. So this is Merlin, OpenAI ChatGPT powered assistant extension for Chrome. It gives you a very limited number of prompts, but you can generally get yourself familiar with the technology without installing or without exposing yourself to the registration at the official website.